Welcome friends to a new session on genetics. In this session, we will discuss about extensions to Mendelian genetics and explore laws of inheritance. Let us see about gene interactions. At the beginning of the 20th century, geneticists had no idea about how genes influence particular phenotype. They knew nothing about the structure and function of genes or any techniques to study it. They proposed everything about the action of genes by analysis of phenotypes only. These analyses showed that a particular gene can influence different traits. Some of the first evidence that a trait can be influenced by more than one gene was obtained by William Bettison, who was famous for the study of heredity and biological inheritance, and also for Gregor Mendel's ideas following the rediscovery in 1900 by Hugo de Vries and Carl Correns, as well as Reginald Punnett, who is the creator of the Punnett square from breeding experiments with the chickens. The work of Bettison and Punnett clearly demonstrated that two independent assorting genes can control a single trait. That means, different combinations of alleles from the two genes resulted in different phenotypes. Genes have often multiple alleles. A gene interaction is the interaction of genes which are alleles or non-alleles on a specific phenotypic character. Modified hybrid ratios are the outcome of these type of gene interactions. There are two types of genetic interactions: intragenic, that is interallelic, and intergenic, that is non-allelic. In case of intragenic interaction, two alleles which are located on the same gene locus on two homologous chromosomes interact to produce specific phenotypic expression. A new phenotype was produced in intergenic interaction by the interaction of two or more independent genes present on the same chromosome or different chromosome. Interaction of genes determines a particular biological property. Incomplete dominance and codominance are called intra-allele interaction. Incomplete genetic dominance is similar to but different from codominance. The phenotypic characters of both alleles are expressed completely and produce a new phenotype in codominance. In this session, we consider some of the early findings of Mendel's gene interactions experiments. One of the important findings of Mendel's experiments was that genes can exist in alternate forms. He identified two different allelic states, one dominant and one recessive. Sometimes one allele did everything to determine the phenotype, but the other did nothing. Sometimes these two alleles can affect the same single characteristic. Based on these genetic interactions, Mendel studied 7 traits separately. One is seed color, next seed texture, plant height, flower color, flower position, pod shape and pod color. According to his findings, these genetic interactions have a different effect on the phenotype. In short, Mendel's experiments established that an individual's genotype is made up of many alleles. If the two alleles of an inherited pair are the same, then it is called homologous, or if it differs, it is heterozygous condition. The one which determines individual's specific phenotypic characteristics is called the dominant allele. The other one has no effect on organism's appearance at all. Sometimes the dominant allele hides the phenotypic effect of recessive allele. According to Mendel, the law of dominance stated that the recessive alleles will always be masked by the dominant allele. Therefore, a homozygous dominant plant, that is capital TT, which represents the tall, is crossed with homozygous recessive small t, which represents the dwarf plant. The dominant phenotype will always express as capital T, small t, which is the heterozygous tall one. That means the tall character is controlled by a pair of different characters, that is capital T and the small t. It is important to note that the law of dominance is significant but not universally applicable, because there are many examples where complete dominance is absent. In such cases, the phenotype of the F1 generation is an intermediate between the effects of two genes of those parents' phenotypes. This is seen as an exception to Mendel's law of dominance. Genetics has identified innumerable examples for incomplete dominance in plants and animals. Example, flower color in 4 o'clock plant, which is called as Mirabilis jalapa, and the color of Andalusian fowl,